What time of the year is it? What time of the year is it? It's Oshkosh time! So yeah, I'm still not used to look at the camera, but hi, welcome! My name is Dory. You may know me through Instagram, Pilot Dory. I'm gonna put what I do here. I do basically photography of my adventure with my little plane. I own a beautiful Piper PA28, and this year we are going to Oshkosh. Oshkosh, like the place to be. Last year I had no idea what it was about, and this year I'm flying with my own plane. That's just how crazy it has been. This year I'm lucky to go with Annie, that you may know as Pilot Annie on Instagram, and this year we're super lucky to have as partner Copa, Red Canoe, and as long as a mother coffee. That's coffee. We have coffee, guys. So I'm super excited for all that. And I thought today I would show you a little bit what you have to prep in advance when you're Canadian and you want to go to Oshkosh to cross the border and everything. So there's two things that you should do prior everything, and like it's all the paperwork for the planes. You're gonna need a sticker that takes a while to come. It took a month for me to come in the mail. Other people took a little bit longer, depends on, I don't know, depends how it works. So that I would do in advance, but if you, basically you have to pay like something like $30 taxes or something, and if you don't receive the stickers on time, you just go with the receipt and they're usually happy with that, but make sure you do that way in advance. And then you have to create an account on EAPs, so it's Electronic Advanced Passenger Information System, so you need to create an account on that and to file everything from your passenger to yours, like all your passport info, license number and everything. So that you have to do prior crossing the border as well. And when you fill all that up, you need to send them, so you're gonna basically with your flight plan, not what time you're gonna land, you let them know everything, and you have to receive a mail that confirms that you can actually cross the border, and yeah, and then you have to call and like the customs and let them know what time you're gonna land. So that's all the paperwork you need to do. So let's repeat again because I'm a bit confusing here. The stickers, a few months in advance, then you paste the sticker on your plane, or you get the receipt that you pay the taxes, the $30. The EAP, so the Electronic Advanced Passenger Information System, so that you have to file up before takeoff, and you have to call the customs at least 2 hours before arriving there, and you have a half an hour buffer zone, like before and after, something like that. I highly recommend that you go on the Copa website. They have all the information if you're a member. If you're not, just I highly recommend that you join. It's $60 a year, and you have a lot of information there, so to cross the border, but also if you plan to buy a plane, they have a lot of different stuff, like how to buy, the prices. They have a lot of information there, and also the best breakfast in Canada and all that. So yeah, that's what you have to work prior. Then Annie and I, we don't live in the same spot. She lives in Collingwood, I live in Burlington. That's 40 minutes flight, so you can understand that I'm not flying there every day to catch up on everything. So we saw each other a few times to work on the flight plan and all the routes we were going to do. But for all what is about the weight and balance and what we are taking, what I did, okay. So I do have on Google Drive a little tab where we put everything. So we have here on the left all the list of what we are bringing. So all the tent, like the beds, batteries, the GoPro, everything. That's on the left. So who is bringing what and how many, so like that we know exactly what we are bringing, and if we forget something, if somebody needs something, but you get the idea. And here on the right you have all the weight and balance. So I put like an Excel file or numbers if you're with Mac. So here on the right, what I did is like I put a column for Annie, one for me, and we put the bags, the weight of everything. So we have the total here and here of the weight. And then here on the right here I have like where we're gonna put the bags on the seat, on the baggage. I have the weight and everything, and the total here and here is reported automatically here and here. So everything is basically because when you go camping for a week, mostly Oshkosh, you bring a lot of stuff, so you're gonna be like pretty heavy, and you're gonna move a lot of stuff from the front, from the back, to make sure everything is fitting how you need. So I find it way easier to work with that kind of thing, so I don't need to do by hand all the calcul all the time. It's all plugged in here and works by itself. And then when that's done, I just go on for a flight and make sure everything is perfectly fine. So we picked two routes, one that goes up north and one that goes down south. We're gonna try to go up north for a few reasons, because the first one, like, it's following the shoreline on the lakes and everything, it's beautiful. Second of all, it's way more quiet than passing by Chicago. That's Bravo airspace, that's kind of busy, and I guess everybody's coming from south more than from the up north. We figure for the first time going to Oshkosh, it's better to pick a route that is a little bit more quieter. Mostly like the difference between two is like half an hour or something. It's nothing. So yeah, we're gonna cross the border. What we're gonna do, and I highly recommend that you do that too, is when you cross the border, you cross and you land just right at the border. In any case something happened with your passport or something, or not happy with your papers, so anything can happen. You are not far from Canada, and you can just fly back to Canada. So yeah, the first stop that we're gonna do is to land in Sault Ste. Marie, but on the US side, clear the customs there, and then go all the way following the shoreline and down to Oshkosh. So that's the route we are hoping to take, and the other one is south, so we're just gonna aim, like, don't remember where we're gonna pass customs, but probably something that's called St. Marie or something, I don't remember, I don't have it on my iPad there. And go like following, like passing by Chicago, following the shoreline, and then go to Osh. So that's for the planning route. We cannot pass above the lake, single engine. I would have to go way high, and the plane probably won't make it that high, and even though I don't have oxygen or anything, and yeah, it's massive lake, you don't want to do that. And then lastly, we're gonna see what we packed that I find that it's important to pack. So other than the tent and the classic stuff, get extra headset battery or anything that works with battery, get extra everything. Battery bank, we have two. I have a solar one and a regular one, because you're gonna use iPad, iPhone, GoPro, everything that's gonna kill a lot of battery, and you don't want to have anything dying on you, mostly your iPad. Flashlight, bug spray, sunblock, because you're gonna cook over there. Baby wipes, still camping, if you can. Toilet paper, I heard it's a good one. Water bottle, reusable, so you don't, destroy the planet. You're gonna drink a lot of water, just take reusable. Same for the coffee cup. We grab life vest because we're gonna still like getting around water, even if we don't really pass above the water more than that. All the first aid Tylenol, first aid kit, hand sanitizer, handheld radio that you want to bring one with you. You never know what's gonna happen if your radio fell at Oshkosh. Arriving there, that's a bad day. And yeah, tie down for the grass. Like for example, my plane is on the ramp, so it doesn't have any tie down that goes into the ground. So I didn't have any tie down for the grass. So a friend of Annie just let us is on tie down. And yeah, that's about it for the first video. If you want to see all the flights, all the adventure, everything, just subscribe to my channel. I will definitely film everything going there. And you can follow me also on Instagram as Pilot Dory. You can follow Annie as Pilot Annie. And don't forget to check Copa social media, so Copa National on Instagram. We're gonna take over and have a lot of fun there and share all the stories. We're gonna be, I think it's Tuesday night, the party. We're gonna be there, so just come and say hi. So yeah, excited to see everybody there, and yeah, I'm super excited to get there. Can't wait to be tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.